Hello children, how are you doing today? I trust you're doing great. Today we're going to be drawing some grapes. Get your pencils, colors, eraser and paper. Start by drawing a little circle on your paper. Start by drawing a little circle on your paper. Yes, just take it step by step as you can see in the video. Draw a little circle, then begin to draw smaller circles. Draw them like you're drawing long C's. Draw them behind each other. Take them one by one, until your grapes become more. Draw them one by one, and finish it up so that you have a bunch of grapes. This is looking good, isn't it? Yes. A bunch of grapes. Then draw a little stalk at the top of the grapes. Can you see that? At the top, 2 lines at the top of the grapes. Finish it up by drawing an oval at the edge of the stalk of your grapes. Yes. Draw a little tiny oval. Then draw 2 lines, where you will join the leaf of the vine. Yes. Draw in curves to finish up the leaves of the vine for your bunch of grapes. Then you are going to be drawing in the veins of your leaf. You're going to be drawing in the veins of your leaves. Yes, can you see those lines? Just follow the video step by step so that you can get your bunch of grapes looking beautiful. Now it's time to color them. Color them red grapes, whatever color you think will be okay for your grapes. Write your name on your paper, turn in your work.